Hi, Skip Shanker here, and I wanted to share an AI tool that takes the fear out of buying fixer-uppers. I'm going to share my screen here and show you what this is all about. So I found this fixer-upper in Evanston, Illinois, and you can find a fixer-upper on any site out there, and all you got to do is copy the email, the property address, copy that, go over to this site ready for remodel and go to the heading called Found a Fixer. And you drop that in here and you import that property. And as that's importing, I'm going to speed it along. And it takes all of the information about that property, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the square footage, and it downloads all the photos. So we use AI to help the buyer visualize what that house could look like with a multiple, almost an unlimited number of design motifs. So you can see this is the way the front of the house looks now. And that is a cottage motif that AI has designed for that particular house. This is what the living room looks like. Now, keep in mind, this house was built in the 1920s, and it looks like it had been updated, but it may not be the design that your buyers want. It's listed for 425, and it's a 3,600 square foot house, so it's reasonably priced, but it does need to be updated. So again, there's a design called Cottage Core, and again, that's before and after. And here is a Mediterranean design. And again, these designs are almost endless. So that's what the kitchen looks like, a little old. There is a Scandinavian design kitchen. Here's a modern farmhouse design kitchen. So it gives you, the buyer, or if you're a real estate professional, your client, the ability to visualize what that house could look like with modern designs. And again, we have all these different design motifs. There's an office that looks a little crowded, but that's what it could look like with a modern design with some bookshelves in the back. And so what's cool is you can design every room. Like here's the basement. This is what the basement looks like now. And we designed this one as a I think this was a design of a movie theater, and and this is the same basement with a game room design. So you can do all different designs. And so any picture, we have all the pictures, kitchens, bathrooms, front of the house, back of the house. And then once you got the design figured out, we can build an estimate with just clicking a few buttons. So you can do the paint, you can replace the windows or not, the kitchen remodel, that we have different levels of quality. You can do a good quality, better quality, or best quality. You see it goes from all the way up to 90, almost $95,000 for a kitchen, and 41,000. So what's cool, this estimate is specific to this house. So it recognizes the zip code, it knows how many bedrooms and bathrooms, the square footage. And so these estimates are within 3 to 6% accuracy, replacing the roof, interior paint, bathroom. So here we've got a design remodel budget of $142,000. And then the next step is how much is going to pop, how much is going to cost? What's the down payment going to be? What's the monthly payment? So we use the offer price here. We use the remodeling estimate that we just generated here. Actually, this was the previous one. So I'm going to go and update this to 142,040. And here is the accurate total of the purchase price plus the remodeling budget is 567. And then the down payment, you can either put a dollar amount or a percentage. We put 5% down. With a 5% down payment, which is about $28,000. The total monthly payment is about 4578. Now, this does not include mortgage insurance. We have that down here. Mortgage insurance generally is required when you put less than 20% down. But here you have it. You can buy any fixer upper now and take the fear out of it using our visualization software to help you visualize what each room could look like, bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, the front of the house, the back of the house, figure out what the actual estimate is going to cost that's specific to that particular house, and then figure out what your down payment and monthly payment is. And this is for any property in the country that has that's listed that's currently listed. And you just go to Found a Fixer and put in that property address, and we will find it, download the pictures. Now, if it's not listed yet, we can still put the property address in. You have to take your own pictures and upload your own photos, and then you can have access to the visualization software if you upload your own photos. So anyway, we are taking the fear out of buying fixer-uppers, and we look forward to working with you. So check it out, readyforremodel.com.